Hi all. In this session, we will see how to set up, FAQ kind of questions, media messages, some free text, text responses and things like that, so that you are making your chatbot more intuitive and media rich, right? So here is the screen. In the first session, we were able to set up the basic flow. And in the second branch, the customer wanted to know more about the product, right? And in the multiple choice, we have asked the customer which category you want to know more, right? So they say men and women. So suppose here you want to share a product or a video demo about that specific product, you can do that with a media node. So here you'll be able to see that. Again, you drag and drop it, you click edit. You go to that, you can set the title for this. This could be men's, promo video, something like that. And then you can add the description to the media. So this is the text, field, that text message that will get attached to the video, right? When you are sending a video and things like that. The similar WhatsApp UI. You can just say, hey, check out our video for men's collection, something like that, right? And then you can put a caption for media. It's up to you. It is useful when they are downloading the file, etc. Here is where you can, select the file types, image, video, and things like that. You can select the file type, and then it's important to select the right file type and then click upload. If you click upload, it will ask for the upload file option. You can select it and go to different things and then upload it, and then finally save the note. So the same applicable for so you can upload image versions like IJP, IP, EG, PNG. Video is MP4, 3GG, and then in the document you can upload only PDF, right? So that's on the media node. Suppose you want to just share a free text, right, without any branches and things like that. That's when you will be able to use this free text node. This simply talks about the product and things like that without any media attachments. This is nothing but a media node without a media, right? So you're just sending the text response. So accordingly, you will be able to link, a men's section here like this, you can select and do it. And in the women's section, again, you can connect and say, hey, we have something for this. You can also, put your website link saying, check out our website. hello24.ai/women's collection and things like that. I'm just putting it, example UI, but this is a use case where your free text will be useful to route the users to your website and things like that. And click save node, and finally save work node. So that's how you will be able to share, rich media and website routing messages and things like that. Thank you.